Yo, listen up folks. Today gonna be explosive because we are heading to the amazing fireworks show in Yokohama. Woohoo! We left earlier cause last time was a total disaster, dude. So many people, no seat, it was pure chaos. No ways we are doing that again. No sir. We were like be smart and beat the crowd. But when we got there, it was like a deserted zone, you know. Turns out you needed fancy tickets to get in. Such a bummer. So we rushed to the tickets booth, but darn, the line was never ending. And nobody got time for that, seriously. So we thought, let's find a sneaky spot with our tickets. And bam, found it free as a bird. We waited forever, man. And let me tell you, the crowd kept growing and like crazy. Around 5 p.m., Mom and my little bro finally showed up. Fashionably late, you know how it goes. Haha, they got lost. Classic. We called down on some yummy food and played games to pass the time. Then, when clock hit 7:30 p.m., the sky exploded with the scariest, most mind-blowing firework, dude. We were like, whoa, dude,